Happy New Year, and you clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 4th to the 16th. January 4th to the 8th, we started at the 4th. We see very little change in the overall circulation. We still have a ridge here across western North America, a trough across eastern North America. Miles are good agreement on this. We go through the days, and we come to the 8th. We see very little change, and we go through the models. And we see they're in good agreement. Now, concerning the storm threat for like Wednesday night, Thursday, across Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, this is what the model is showing. This is the European deterministics. And here's the system down here organizing. And then we get to Thursday, it really starts to crank up. And then we can see like the GFS brings it out to sea. Now we're going to look at that was the European. Now we're going to look at the GFS. Wednesday, you see it off the Florida coast. And this also brings it further out to sea. Now, the spread of the models is still large. We're going to take a look here. These are the ensembles. And we're going to take a look here. We're going to go to Wednesday. And the system is like, has it, now this is ensemble. This is like Friday morning. And you can see like these are the positions of where the storm is supposed to be, but all the models are intensive, or bringing it to a very strong storm. I can see some here pressures at 982, 992, 989. But this is what the ensembles are showing. Then we go through each day. You can see it's jumping a little bit. And this brings it a little closer. These are ensemble means. Here's the precipitation and so forth. So it's going to be a close call. And this storm will possibly bring strong winds. Closer, let's put it this way, closer to the shore, stronger the winds will be. Possible power outages and so forth. Heavy snow. Further out to sea, there'll be still some wind, but it'll be less of an impact. But as of now, heavy snow is forecast for New England, and there's also snow across portions of the Mid-Atlantic. Behind the system, we expect cold temperatures, below normal temperatures will be across the east. Now the west will become unsettled early next week, and precipitation is forecast from the plains eastward. Snow is forecast to the north, rain across the south. Even portions of California and the southwest could see some precipitation finally. January 7th to the 11th. Now we're going to get to it. Here we're at the 7th. The flow is forecasted to de-amplify, and we come to the 11th. And we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement with this. This flow starts to flatten, but still have a ridge here in the west, trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here. What the anomalies of 6 to 10 degrees or more are forecast. Below normal temperatures are forecast here. This might be a little overdone, but now I'm saying 6 to 10 degrees below normal is forecast. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for the west coast states. Probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have below normal precipitation forecast for the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. Now we're going to look at the period for January 12th to 16th. The models continue the trend of de-amplification. You can see we have a flatter flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Take a look at the models. and you can see that the flow de-amplifies during this period, but still remaining quite cool in some areas. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. Anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees are forecast above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for this area, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast for the plains and the Rockies. Probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 4th to the 16th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munn's World of Weather, and Happy New Year.